Today, we're at the head offices of one of the industry's best known brands. In fact, if you've been in any camping and outdoor accessory shop, you will have encountered the company Quest Leisure Products. We're here at their head offices in Redditch to find out a little bit more about Quest and to see their new products for 2023. I'm here with what to us is the face of Quest, to us at that leisure shop anyway. This is the lovely Ben Marsh. How are you, Ben?
I'm always good, Matt, when I see you.
Quest has been a very established brand in many camping shops across the country. It's been around seemingly forever, but tell us a bit more about the background.
Okay, so it started well over 30 years ago with a husband and wife team, and they just took it onwards and upwards, got all their family involved as well, nieces, sons. So it's definitely a very big family environment at this company, yeah.
And that's often the case, isn't it, in this brilliant industry of ours? It is a real family affair, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. I mean, you've got your own family working for you as well. Yeah. So, you know, I used to work for my family as well. So, once you're in this industry, you definitely can't get out.
Yeah, no, that's right. And of course, Quest has just been bought, hasn't it, by a much bigger corporate, but it still holds those family values very close to its heart, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely. I mean, with Myriad, I've been working on their side for a few months now, and it's got the exact same family values, really. So it hasn't changed. It's been really, really good and really welcoming. So definitely no complaints from my side.
Well, we're excited to see where Quest goes under its new ownership. And it's been well documented. We've talked a lot about delays and supply chain issues over the last few years, post-COVID. What's happening this year, though? I mean, you had containers stuck in the Suez Canal. You were telling me earlier about something called ghost shipping. What's that?
So ghost shipping is when a container goes on the boat, the shipper tells us that it's left, but it hasn't. So It's still there, and basically they've lied to us. And whereas we think the goods are on the waters coming over to us, and they're still stuck in the port.
Wow, so no wonder that we've had these massive issues. But what's happening this year then? I mean, what's your prediction for 2023? Is stuff here?
So stuff has been coming in for the last month or so. We had 3 containers last week. I think we've had 2 containers this week. And we've got even more booked in, ready to come in for next month as well. So if it's not here, it's imminently.
Imminent. So hopefully by May, we should see a lot of new Quest product as well, shouldn't we, on the shelves?
Oh, definitely. I mean, we've got brand new products on the shelves now, ready to go, and you'll just keep seeing more and more.
Yeah, brilliant. Well, we're going to actually take a look around at some of the new product for 2023. Should we take a look?
Let's do it.
Ben, we're here in reception with your fantastic new chair display. It's quite a tower of chairs. It's very good.
Yeah, I'm quite impressed. I think we could go a bit higher, but...
Good luck getting up there. Now, tell me, Westfield Chairs are a brand that have been unique to Quest in the UK. They're a German company, aren't they?
Correct.
But you've got some new models here on display.
So we've got this chair here, which is great for motorhomes, campervans, caravans, where you want the reclining chair, but you don't have the space, because the headrest on this one actually folds away. So when you do pack it, you save roughly around that much space.
Making the chair shorter, isn't it? And they're very light as well, aren't they?
Yep, so they do a mixture of different frames. They do standard aluminium frames up to Duralite frame, which is unique to themselves, which is a mixture of aluminium and magnesium. This is the Westfield Avant-Garde. So this is in the Duralite material. It's the aluminium and magnesium frame. Very lightweight. I can pick that up with my little finger.
Are you just really strong, or is that genuine? Is that genuinely lightweight?
No, I haven't been that strong for quite a few years.
Gosh, that is very light.
That's it. So all metal components as well. 5-year warranty on all of their furniture, chairs and tables. It can be left out in the rain on this one, as the rain will just go straight through it.
Now this has got a clever feature and it folds flat. Although the headrest doesn't fold down, it folds into itself. Show us.
That's it. So if you have a look on the side here, you've got the notches in the frame on both sides. So when that does fold, the frame goes into each other.
Look at that.
So it just saves that little bit more on the space when you need it.
Which in a motorhome where you're short on space, that's important, isn't it? And are these only available in this black and grey, or are there different colours?
So this one is available just in the black and grey, but there is a wide variety available in different specs with the Duralite frame, aluminium frame.
Now, I really like this chair. It's really smart.
So it's got the diamond pattern on there. Again, reclines back. It is an aluminium frame on this one. Again, it does fold flat as well.
So it's not as light. I mean, it's 6.5 kilos, isn't it?
That's it. So a little bit heavier, but also you do get the metal running gear. So, you know, that's why these chairs last that much longer, because it's not all plastic bits that can break down over time.
And I love the feet on the leg rest as well. Ideal on the sand.
That's it. Yeah, got wide feet on those, but they are also adjustable, so you can actually higher the front up. So if you want it angled lower, you can as well.
Quest do a wide range of chairs in colours, sizes, styles, and for every budget. But it's not just chairs, they do tables and outdoor furniture too. In fact, their range of tableware, cookware and drinksware is really quite extensive. Their product range also includes every accessory you can think of for your motorhome and caravan, from stocking toilet roll, toilet chemical, and even caravan and motorhome themed toys for the little people in your life. So Ben, the first of our new for 23 products, this brilliant little tent, which is actually not a tent. Look at this, it's a wardrobe.
Handy little storage unit. You know, 2 fiberglass poles, that's all it takes, and packs away in seconds.
I love it. A tent in a tent. Ben, this looks like a very interesting product. What on earth is it?
So it's a brand new product for 2023 again. It's the Solar Shower Power Shower.
Say that again.
The Solar Shower Power Shower.
Go on, show us that work.
I've just got to say it 10 times fast first. So you fill it with water, hang it in a tree, let the solar heat the water up, and then once you're ready to use it, pump it full of air.
So you're pressurising the bag.
That's it. And then when it's all pumped up, ready to go, obviously if you need to wash your dog, car, anything like that.
Shoes.
Even yourself. Obviously, trigger hand, got the trigger handle, and away you go.
So when you finish with it, it folds down into this neat little bag, doesn't it?
Yeah, can't lose it, and ready to go on your next trip.
Fantastic. The solar power, shower power.
Solar shower, power shower.
That. Now this is a comfortable chair. Ben, this is one of the best selling in the range, isn't it? This is the Naples range. There's a unique property with these chairs that's unique to Quest. Tell me more.
So it's not just this range of chairs, it's all the Quest reclining chairs. So it's this slide out table. So we've got the exclusive rights in the UK to have that, so nobody else can do it.
So this is the little slide out table that clips to the side, is unique to Quest.
That's absolutely correct, yeah.
Fantastic. What a great little fact. So Ben, we've got a new range of melamine for 2023 as well, some really lovely finishes.
So we've got 2 different ranges, 4 different colourways. We've got the grey and the white in 16-piece sets, so 4 plates, 4 side plates, 4 bowls and 4 mugs. And then we've got the more heavier duty 16-piece sets in like the granite and the oatmeal colourway. The great thing about these, especially the mugs, is they actually take up to 120 degrees. So whereas you used to put boiling water in and the mugs would crack, these won't. And the other great part is you can actually buy these separately, so you don't have to buy the full 16-piece set. If you just want a set of mugs, you can buy those.
So 120 degrees, but water only boils at 100 degrees.
Well, that's it, so you shouldn't have any issues. Most melamine mugs are about 70 to 80 degrees, so that's why they do crack.
And how durable are they? Are they breakable?
So they're not unbreakable, but they are definitely more durable than most.
Are they? How durable? Should we see?
Absolutely fine, no issues.
It didn't break. I'd say that's pretty durable.
Well, I would too. I mean, it's still in one piece, no matter your effort you put in.
2023 is all about new colours here at Quest. Ben, show us the electrical appliances and these new colours that you've got in the range.
So for 2023, we've revamped the whole range pretty much. So we've got the 3 new colourways, which is slate grey, stainless steel and cream. Personally, I like the slate grey.
I love it. It's really nice.
Favourite. I think that's going to be the best seller this year.
Yeah.
But you can get them in 1 litre kettles, 1.7, and obviously just 2 slice toasters, all in metallic there. and you can even get it in the plastic way as well, so it just brings that price point down that little bit more.
So the key here is we've got plastic appliances and metal ones, is that right?
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah.
As well as obviously our standard Guardsman, the glass light up kettle.
Yeah.
This one has always been a firm favourite for people for the past few years.
Glows blue when it's boiling. It's awesome.
Unfortunately, we can't do orange for you, but you never know in the future.
That'd be great. We'd love that. Now, you've also launched this plastic range of products in a variety of, they're almost 1950s colours, wouldn't you say?
They've been really popular. They've gone really well. We've sold out of a couple of lines and had to reorder already. So the demand is back. You know, retro is the new cool.
Absolutely. I reckon the dusty pink's going to be popular.
Fully enough, that is the most popular.
Yeah.
People are loving it. You know, it's made to a price point, made in Europe as well. So you haven't got to wait for it all to come over from China and, you know, meet demand a lot quicker.
Brilliant. Now, I'm a big fan of this collapsible stuff. Just show us how these work. This is a drainer, and they fold flat, which is just genius. And it's not just a drainer, is it? We've got 2 sizes of bowls this year.
That's it, 2 sizes. You know, these are great for people who are camping, you know, need that bit more space. But, you know, for your caravan and motorhome, you need that bit smaller.
And there's even a bucket down here. Show us the bucket. This, if you can fold this flat in one go. See, you didn't.
Not quite.
Exclusive to the UK from Quest is the Nomadic barbecue. Now, Ben, this must be the smallest barbecue I've ever seen. It doesn't even look like a barbecue. How on earth does it work?
Well, it's something completely different and unique. That's been in Europe for a couple of years now, and we're really happy to bring it over to the UK. So let me show you
Please,
how
yeah,
it works. So simply open the legs at the bottom, locks on the side, and that just...
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And then you've got your drip trays underneath on both sides as well.
What a large surface area to cook on for such a small barbecue. And it's got 2 gas burners, hasn't it?
Yep, so 2 gas burners, but they run independently. So you can just use one side. These do come out, so they are washable.
And easier to get into the sink than some competitors on the market.
That's exactly it. So again, it's just something completely different. Packs away small, so great for campers, motorhomes, camper vans.
Now, it comes with a carry strap. Comes with a gas hose, and the regulator for the disposable threaded cartridge bottles is included.
That's correct.
But you can buy a regulator to use with a camping gas bottle as well, is that right?
A camping gas bottle, and also one that will go direct to your barbecue point on your motorhome or caravan as well.
Just fold it up for us again, go on. That's brilliant. Easily goes in any cupboard as well, doesn't it?
It's just fantastic. The storage space it takes up is so small.
Yeah, love it. A huge thanks to Quest Leisure for letting us wander around the offices today, one of the industry's best loved household brands. But which of the products did you like? We would love to know your thoughts. Leave a comment below, and while you're here, please do subscribe, hit the bell, then we can tell you when new video content is published. All of these products are going to be available at thatleisureshop.com through the course of this year, so make sure you go and check out our fantastic shop team and the website online, or pop in and visit us in North Somerset. We will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.